Well, we can finally say it. The NBA regular season is about to get underway. And here at 2K Sports, we couldn't be happier. With David Aldridge on our sideline, and here with me, Greg Anthony and Steve Smith, this is Kevin Harlan. You can feel the energy here in Toronto. The Raptors looking to please their fans in this Eastern Conference matchup. And they're starting off the season against this Detroit team. They were blanked in this matchup a season ago. No wins in 3 tries. They'll try to improve on that dismal record here.
In this game, just the first of 4 meetings between these two. They'll get quite familiar with each other by season's end.
It's the kind of season series that can really make a difference in the standings if one team ends up dominating the other.
So impressive the way Siakam has emerged as a #1 scorer.
He has a great handle for his size. The length is hard for any defender to deal with, whether Siakam's back to the basket or facing up.
There's the 3. Anunoby, no good. Detroit with the ball. Bay with it. Now guarded by Siakam. Pass to Cunningham. Latrey trains the 3-pointer.
And he's not going to miss that sort of an opportunity from deep.
And it's Dragic off the drive. Here's Anunoby. Van Vliet on the wing. 4 on the clock. Rebound by Olynyk. The Pistons with a quick start to this game. It's a 3-point game. Cunningham looking it over. There's the drive. And then Cunningham with the dunk.
Oh, taking it to the rack with power.
Hammering down the 2-hand slam. Back to Van Vliet. Outside Dragic. Here's Anunoby. Pass to Van Vliet. Shot to stop the run. And it's good. The time running down on the shot clock. Van Vliet's got his second bucket. Cunningham with it. He's got 5. To the middle. Kicks it out to Grant. And another 3 for Detroit. And Greg, with over a decade you had in the NBA, is there an opening night that you remember most?
Man, that very first time putting on that Knicks jersey. The game was in Orlando. I played 28 minutes, which was a lot for a rookie back then, and I'll never forget that night.
And now the fast break. Grant with the ball. No good from Lee. Raptors trailed by 6. Van Vliet outside. Fires the 3. Here's Dragic. Rebounded by the Pistons. First quarter of play and just over 3.5 minutes in. Grant gets a wide open look. And he's good on the 3-ball. Grant's got his second basket of the night.
And it just seems that every pass they make is leading to a score. Just great ball movement.
OG Anunoby matching 3s. Just a solid, steady player who continues to improve.
Master Olynyk. And it's off from 3-point range. Outside Dragic. Back to Siakam. Van Vliet looking around. Back to Siakam. They double-team Siakam. His second shot goes in. Off to a good start. 2 for 2.
Wiry, strong Pascal Siakam with the nice move in that painted area.
5 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. And then Cunningham with the dunk.
Oh, Kev, he put some anger behind that one.
You're telling me. Pistons outside. Pass to Dragic. No good from the low block. And so is Detroit with their lead standing at 6 points here at the end of the quarter. They're playing a bruising game inside, and it's working for them.
Come on and get out for your Northside crew. All right.
And thanks again for tuning in. If you're just joining us, we've played through 1 quarter of action so far. And a look at how the offensive approach has been going here so far for Detroit.
They didn't need any time to warm up from long range today. Their three-point shooting has been terrific in the first half.
Yeah, they're showing some muscle also in the first half as well, and getting a lot of their points in the paint. Really like the balance they've shown.
Detroit leading by 6. And keeping us updated from the sideline, let's swing it over to David Aldridge.
Thank you, Kevin. Despite their record, there is optimism around the Detroit Pistons. Killian Hayes said, "We have a fun team. We love seeing each other succeed. We've got a bright future." Coach Dwayne Casey says, "If we bring this same type of intensity, toughness each and every night, then good things will happen." Kevin, back to you.
Detroit tough. Good stuff, DA. Thanks. Here's Bay. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul.
That's his first personal.
Clearly a foul.
First team.
This is his first chance at the line tonight. That free throw, no good.
Probably a little draft in the arena tonight. He's the last guy you expect to miss the mark by that much.
Absolutely.
I can't believe he missed those shots. Wow, he is usually lights out from there.
Anunoby, good.
I like how Fred VanVleet stays patient. Eyes up, finds the breakdown in the defense. And what you like about Anunoby is how efficient he's become. Good to great shot selection. Hits for a solid percentage from the field, from 3, and from the line.
Second team foul.
Stewart a screen. Inside.
On top of being a high-level run and jump athlete, Siakam shows great lateral speed. He can guard both on the perimeter and in the post.
First team foul.
And it's Dragic bringing up the ball for the Raptors. They trail by 6. The Wizards on the road to face them after this game. That'll be the latter half of this 2-game homestand. Pass to Anunoby. Siakam trying to free himself up. Anunoby, no good.
And another efficiency of Anunoby's, he takes care of the rock.
And for a young player, you're right, GA, he makes very few mistakes. And if he does make a mistake, they don't pile up and become a problem. He just moves on to the next play.
Siakam's shot is off. Pistons leading by 8. So the wing on the left. Here's Stewart. Off target there. That would have pushed the lead to double digits. On the wing, Barnes. Pass to Siakam. They double team Siakam. Now here's VanVleet. Covered by Hayes. Just 5 on the clock. The Raptors need to get a shot off. Dragic gets the bucket.
An all-NBA third-teamer back in 2013, Goran Dragic rose up right there and knocked it down.
Now here's Hayes. He's still scoreless so far in this one. Here's Lyles. And he banks in the layup. And the Pistons lead by 8.
Great timing. That can be the difference between an assist and a turnover.
We've got 1:48 left from the first half of basketball.
To counter the size deficiency, VanVleet has developed an insane number of moves inside.
Down low. Outside for Jackson. It's good from long range. Jackson's got 5.
Woo, he got a clean look, and he makes the defense pay for disrespecting him.
That one goes in.
Strong finish. Siakam with great balance, able to complete the play through contact.
.109 left in the first half of the game. Right wing. Pass to Wiles. Back to Bay. The Pistons need to get off a shot here. Wiles no good.
Unusual for him, just a lack of concentration. Fails to finish the play.
They double team Siakam. And here is Anunoby. Raptors moving the ball around. Dragic left side. Floats it up there for Siakam. Stewart with the steal. Here's Wiles. Good D by Barnes.
Meeting right at the rim. He typically converts in those situations. Not this time.
Drills it from outside.
With a much tighter handle now, OG has added the pull-up jumper to his game.
Driving the lane. And Hayes throws it down.
You gotta love his aggressiveness to finish inside.
Well, his leaping ability gives him a great advantage.
At the end of the first half of play, the score is your Raptors 22, the Pistons 28.
And so it's Detroit with a 6-point lead at the... We've got second half action for you, and if the next couple quarters are similar to the first, this one could go down to the last possession. And Greg, you had a lot of success playing in college and the NBA, but what was the most fun you ever had playing with a team?
That's a tough call, Kevin. I mean, winning tends to be the most fun, so I'd have to probably say my UNLV team, but we had some great teams with the Knicks, and don't forget about my Blazers. They were also a really competitive team.
Anunoby, good.
Much improved footwork, and he's already strong. Anunoby getting it done inside.
Master Olynyk takes a three. Pistons keep it alive. Grant outside. 6 to shoot. Out to Lee. Three-pointer. And it's Toronto with the rebound. The drive by Barnes. And Grant sends it back.
Nice defensive reflexes from Jeremy Grant. Able to get in there and throw off that shot.
Oh, smooth. Guys, very good job getting himself in close enough that he could just tip it back in.
Well said. Those kind of plays in the offensive glass can tell the story sometimes, can't they? Now, Cunningham. 7 points in the game. And it's Dragic with the foul. That's his first foul.
And you can see he just didn't get squared up with his feet.
Now into the lineup for the Pistons, Josh Jackson.
Here's Lee. He's been quiet so far. Still no points in the game. Clock at 6. No good on that one. And Toronto will come the other way. Siakam, right side. And Kelly Olynyk is going to pick up the foul. That is his first foul of the game.
That's his first personal foul. First team foul.
On defense, Detroit. Nothing yet for them in the third quarter. Here's Dragic. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot 2.
That's his
And throughout his career, Dragic has been a leader. It's a natural fit for him.
Duncan Robinson called him the ultimate leader. Dragic, leader of his national team for a decade now. Guy just embraces the responsibility of it all.
Well, he was a champion in Italy. We see what Dragic has done in the NBA. He's had a solid career, and he's still evolving.
And here's Cunningham. 7 points in the game. Kicks it out to Grant. 5 on the clock. Pass to Olynyk. Right side, Lee. Here is Cunningham. Jackson with it. They could use a bucket. Out to Lee. To the wing right side. Here's Olynyk. And finally, that one's good. Olynyk's got his 3rd bucket of the night.
Even though he lacks length, Olynyk's hustle makes him a threat on second chance opportunities.
Here's Siakam. And again, Toronto no luck.
You expect him to make that.
Hammering it in.
It's so good to watch Grant do his thing on offense. He loves leaping up and dropping the hammer.
And what you get with Barnes, Greg, tremendous versatility.
And he gets others involved. He plays great defense, has an excellent feel for the game. He doesn't have to score to impact winning, but if you need points from him, the young fella can provide that as well.
Screen by Olynyk. Van Vliet brings the double team. On the wing, Jackson launches a 3. Raptors trailed by 3. And on our sideline, our reporter, David Aldridge.
Thank you, Kevin. Well, Saddiq Bey was the 19th pick in 2020 out of Villanova, and he made an immediate impact for the Pistons. Dwayne Casey said he's a coach's dream, adding he's made himself into one of the top 3-point shooters of his class, a defender, and he's just scratching the surface. Guy's not bad for a rebuilding team.
David, you're right. They got a good one. Thanks. Grant with the ball. He's got 8. Here's Olynyk. Nice pass. Led him to the rack perfectly for the layup. Olynyk's got 4 this quarter. Van Vliet wide open. Connects from 3-point range.
Fred's a bit of a streak shooter from out there, but when he's feeling it, he's deadly.
To the inside. Here's Olynyk. Make it 5 for 10 with him in that bucket.
And they're passing the ball very crisply here.
For 3, Van Vliet. Gets in, and he's a very efficient 5 for 6 on the game.
I don't think the defense had any idea what they were doing there. Clear miscommunication leading to an easy basket for the offense.
.16 seconds left for the 3rd. Here's Olynyk. Another shot. Nifty move. And the layup is up and in. Olynyk's got 12.
Attacking the heart of that defense. I like this from Olynyk, not just hanging out on the perimeter.
And talk about putting some extra on it. That dunk was way over the top.
Close game or not, he's going to finish firm when he gets the space. 3 quarters of play in a close game here. Pistons lead by 1. We'll be back shortly.
Come on and get loud for your Northside crew. Come on, fans.
And with these teams locked in a very close contest, this 4th quarter promises to be a good one. The Pistons lead it. Lee outside. Pass to Stewart. They double him with Siakam. Buries the long-range jumper. Grant's got the first field goal of the 4th quarter here for the Pistons. Here's Barnes. Now Siakam. Tips it up. And it's Barnes on the follow.
Well, you wonder why we're seeing so many points tonight. Just look at the D.
And late in the game here, it's just as important to get stops. We'll see if either side is up to the task.
Here's Grant. And the three off target. And it's the Raptors ball. A 2-point game. And Bleed on the wing. To the paint. Here's Siakam. That ties it up. 8 points for Siakam.
You can see their confidence growing. They have reason to believe.
Yeah, the reason is they tied it up, but it took a lot of focus and a lot of energy. We'll see if they can sustain this effort.
Any chance you get, you want to put yourself in a position to succeed, and that's what he did there.
Great job of reading the floor, got to the rim, and made a play.
Oh, an aggressive move and fantastic finish.
Trying to send a message with that slam, I think. Kicks it out to Van Vliet. Back to Siakam. Some nice ball movement here by the Raptors. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Takes the three. Near the three-point line, it's Van Vliet. And the shot clock expires. 24-second violation. Now here's Lee. Pass to Stewart. Uses the glass to finish the layup. And the Pistons lead by 2.
Man, that's about the worst defense I can imagine a team playing coming down the stretch.
And I love the play call. This is where you get the ball into the hands of your closers, where they can do something with it.
6 on the shot clock. Anunoby with it. Baseline try. The rebound by Grant. Now Cunningham. In the corner, Bay with it. Here's Lee outside. No good on that one. Pass to Anunoby.
2 minutes remaining in regulation time.
Now Dragic. Inside. Barnes. Beautiful dish, and the layup goes down. Barnes has got 10 points here in the second half.
Sharing is caring. Goran Dragic can get a shot almost anytime he wants, but finds a better one for his teammate.
Down low. And the dunk by Stewart.
And how about the execution, really when it matters most? He knew he had the height advantage and just got the job done. No need to pass in that situation.
Here's Dragic. Pass to Barnes. And he gets the whistle for the 3-second call.
That's just being out of sync, and at the worst time, costly.
France Jackson. Killian Hayes.
And a little over 3.5 minutes in the books so far here in the fourth. To the middle. And the dunk by Stewart.
Watching Hayes, he keeps his eyes up, always looking for a better shot, either for himself or his teammates.
Pass to Barnes. Out to the right wing. They double team Siakam. Out to the right wing. Shot clock at 5. Anunoby has the open look. Offline with his 3.
Okay, when you're trying to make a comeback, you can't be hucking up low percentage threes. You have to find a better shot within the offense.
Hayes down low. Here's Stewart. Toronto grabs the miss.
They've got to take the first good shot they can find.
And even if they make it, they need an immediate foul no matter who catches the ball.
29 seconds left to play in the final quarter. Pass to Anunoby. Barnes outside. And here's Van Vliet from the arc. It's hauled in by Stewart. And here's Hayes. So the big win by Detroit in a tight game. This was a hard-fought, well-earned victory for them, Greg. They really had to work for this win.
That's a good point. I mean, weaker teams might have buckled at the end with the crowd amped up, everyone in the building.